Hey loves. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this sleek ponytail for my friend. We did a Valentine's Day theme. So I created a heart in a swoop and this came out so cute. So first things first, of course I washed her hair and blow dried it, got that out the way, and we're just going to hop straight into preparing her hair for the ponytail. So I parted her out. I think I did about 5 parts, one on each side, one in the middle, one at the top, and then one in the back. The fastest way for me to get through it, you part it however you see fit. I then applied some heat protectant and a smooth silky mist. I believe it was by Care. If I remember, I'll put it in the comments what I used. And I just turned my flat iron up to, I want to say it was 430, and I went through and flat ironed her hair, very thin slices all the way throughout. I'm just gonna flat iron, her entire head.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seems like
So when you're flat ironing the hair, you really want to take very thin pieces, thin slices. I want to say that my slice is about a half an inch thick between my flat iron. I also use a CTC flat iron, CTC Rusk flat iron. I got it from, not Amazon. I got it from Sally's. I've had it for about 3 to 4 years now, and it's like my favorite flat iron. Yeah, it gets it really straight. And plus, with the product that you're going to put on the hair, it should get it really straight. You want it as straight as possible, but you don't want to cause heat damage. So make sure you apply heat protectant. I can't stress that enough. As you can see, my client hair is pretty straight. It doesn't take a lot to get her hair straight. I usually use about a dime size of product on her hair to get it straight, because she has kind of fine hair. I'll definitely say her hair is in the fine category when it comes to hair. It doesn't take much to keep it straight or to straighten it.
ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby. One thing that you should know, little baby, bounce back, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded off the 42, gorgeous, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, think they one bitch on my level. Ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. You see me.
All right, so now that we've straightened the hair, I'm going through and I'm going to create where her swoop will begin. And from there, I'm going to create a heart within the swoop. This is a really easy style, so it doesn't take much to create the heart. Just go through, make sure after you create the heart, you go through and clean it up and make the lines neat. After that, I section the heart off, and I'm gonna go through and apply Maury's beeswax to her hair. Now, I don't use a whole bunch of beeswax like some people do. Like some people, they like to go through and put on every little bit of hair, so they section it off bit by bit. Sometimes it depends on the method or how coarse the hair is. I'll say that it depends on how coarse the hair is for that method, but it really doesn't take that much if you straighten the hair good. So I'm just going through and I'm putting on the outside, I'm sleeking and smoothing until I get to a consistency where I feel like it's smooth to my liking, and it's really sleek. Like, we want that thing to be laid, okay? We want it to be so motherfucking sleek. I don't even know how to. It's so sleek you can slip on it. That's what we want. We want it so sleek you slipping on it, okay?
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on
I be taking my time getting that pony sleek. You feel me? I used about 2 scrunchies to secure my ponytail. And then I like to go through after it's real sleek and stuff and spray a holding spray on top. I'm using Spritz, the orange bottle, to spray on top. It's just going to make it a little bit more firm and keep those flyaways from coming up before I move to the front. So I'm really doing that all over the top, the bottom, underneath the ponytail, all of that. Once I'm comfortable with my back and making sure it's sleek and it's going to stay, I'm going to go ahead and move to the heart. I'm just pushing all the hairs for the heart towards the front, and I'm using a little bit of the beeswax to do that to make sure that it stays in place. Yes, I am going back through in between. If I see even a flyaway, I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit more spritz on there. Can't forget the content, you know. Y'all saw that little sneak content, little picture real quick. You gotta know. So now I'm playing with my swoop. I'm trying to figure out how I want it to lay, how far I want it to, be, if I want a deep swoop, if I want it to be more down on her eyebrow, where it's going to be placed at. And I'm also using a little bit of holding spray on the hair just so that I can see how it's going to lay before I actually go in and sleek that down. So don't be afraid to play with it a little bit before you really go in and put it where it's supposed to be. I'm just taking some pins and I'm trying to place this jank wherever just to see what I want first. Okay, now to the heart. I'm going to section this off and I'm going to put a little bit of beeswax at the top of each part that I made. I think I made it about an inch part each between each, and I put beeswax. I then went in. I think my camera probably went dead. Sorry, you guys. But I then went in after I put beeswax in between each of them and I sleeked it down. I applied a holding spray and I'm just going through and putting pins before I even tack it down. I'm going through and putting the pins exactly where I want to lay so it stays right there while I work my way back. Take your time with this. You do not have to rush. Be as neat as possible. Do one section at a time because you want your swoop to be really giving. You want a really giving swoop. So take your time with this. And don't use a whole bunch of holding spray. I didn't use a whole bunch. I know it may look like I did, but I was spraying them things very lightly in between. And I kind of just wrapped the swoop around the ponytail base where I was. And I think I used a bobby pin as well. And then, yeah, that's really it as far as making the swoop part of the ponytail. This is really a super easy style, you guys. And you can do this. You can do this.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love.
Once we got our swoop out the way and it's laid, we're going to move to the ponytail. Final part, the ponytail. It's really super easy. All you have to do is braid their hair down. Once you braid their hair completely down, you're going to apply a black strip, a black wrap paper over the top of their hair. If you're doing glue, the glued method, you'll use that to protect their hair. But if you're going to be doing the sewed method, which is what I'm doing, I just put a rubber band at the end and then I just went in and wrapped it around and sewed it. This is going to last a little bit longer. And yeah, I just like this method. Real quick and easy. I wrapped it 1 to 2 times and then I put a thread through it and kept going. It took me no time and it's no glue on her hair whatsoever. Once I do this, I wrap it at the top. I think I used about two bundles in this to wrap her hair, two bundles to wrap her ponytail all the way up. All right, once we have the ponytail installed, I'm gonna take a piece of the hair from the ponytail. I curled it to make it easier for me to wrap around the hair. And I just wrapped that piece around to cover up the track at the top, so no track will be showing. And I just used a little bit of holding spray and went back through to secure it. You're gonna see me at the end of this use the flat iron across it as well to seal it. And then I just go through and I curl her ponytail. She wanted it curled, or you can get it straight, whichever one. We curled her ponytail. And yeah, this was really super easy. And this is so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Perfect little Valentine's Day get ready with me type of thing to go out with your man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That red spray right there is Eben's adhesive spray, by the way. It is not glue. It's like a very strong holding spray, and I really like it to do my ponytail, the wraparound for my ponytail, because it stays, and you could just put water on it and it comes off. So yeah, that's my little hush hush secret, you know what I'm saying? But look how cute this is. And I'm just going to go in and, add my little razzle dazzle with the baby hairs, and we'll be done. Little razzle dazzle. That's the seasoning on top, the sauce, the baby hairs. So we going through getting that right, and we're done.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me.
We added a little shine to her to make her glisten, make her real pretty. Look like make it look like she just got her freshly done, because she did. She need to be looking fresh and nice. And yeah, we're done. That is how you do a sleek pony with a heart, with a deep heart part. A sleek pony with a deep heart part. I like that. That's what I'm gonna name this. A sleek pony with a deep heart part, or soup. I don't know. But how cute. And you can follow me on Instagram to see more videos and of my work. That is Lace Perfectionist on Instagram. bombshellperfection.com to book an appointment or to buy a wig. Until next time.